everybody. Today my video on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter whose patriotism made him a hero in India. He was popularly known as Netaji because of his hard work and great leadership. He was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. His father's name was Janakinath Bose, who was a lawyer, and mother's name was Prabhavati Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was an intelligent student. He took admission in Presidency College in Kolkata. Once he assaulted Professor Otain for his anti-Indian comments. He was expelled from the college, and then he took admission in Scottish Church College and passed his BA in 1918 in philosophy. Netaji, who became Congress president in 1938 but resigned in 1939 because of some differences with the Congress policy. He raised Indian National Army Azad Hind Fauj to make India free from British rule. He believed in fighting till the last breath for Indians' freedom. His famous quote was, "You gave me blood, I will give you freedom," where he urged Indians to join his fight against the British rule. He was it was reported that Netaji died in a plane incident on 18 August 1945, but his dead body was not found. There is still a controversy on the reason of his death. His work for the country still inspires millions of Indians to do something for the country. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.